What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an egg McMuffin right here at the house, cheaper than an old Mackie D's, because you go to McDonald's lately, that damn egg McMuffin is like $4. And so I'm going to show you how you can do this, and for like the price of 3 or 4, you can make 12 or so of them, man. Easy peasy and delicious too. So let's get it, Hamburglar. Now, first thing you gotta do to make an egg McMuffin, got to have the muffin board. Today, I just got some split top muffins, and the thing about it is, you stick your fork in there. That's what it tells you to do on the box. Stick that fork in there, separate the muffin, and pull that shit apart. Next thing that you gotta do, Grimace, get you that egg board, and I'm not talking about the one that they got at the place, because the one they got at the place is round. You're talking about, I want to go to the drive-thru so I can get my Beanie Baby. Well, you can go in today. We're making the regular egg in the damn house. Now, put your egg in the pan, fry the egg up, then, pretty easy, boy, because this is the last step. Last thing we got to do, Ronald McDonald, is put our ham on there. So they're going to use Canadian bacon. I'm going all American because this is America, and we like Carl Weathers shorts. So, put your sliced ham on there, fold it up, put that thing on top. That's all there is to it, buddy boy. See? Simple, easy to go, and ready to do. So, we're going to be ready for a big old sight and a big old cheap, easy, delicious bite of that egg McMuffin tonight, mister. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The egg McMuffin done, and I'm having that first bite. For me, no yellow wrapper, no $3, and bigger. Look at that. Sir. Better than an old clown boy could ever do. More meat on there, a good egg, same flavor, more of it, and just packing a punch, boy. So, man, it's good. I want to thank y'all for stopping by this morning on an episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe, follow me on social media, and watch all my other episodes right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to get back to this egg sandwich. It's good. So,